Hello and congratulations, because the fact that you're on this page means that you're thinking about starting your own business. And I know that being in this infancy stage, not only are you likely to be feeling excited, but you're probably feeling really overwhelmed as well, not knowing what steps you need to take to successfully start, launch and grow your business. But don't worry, this is completely natural. And I remember feeling exactly the same way almost 18 years ago when I first started in business. And that is why I've created this free business success roadmap, which actually takes you through all of the steps and stages that I took when I first started in business 18 years ago. Because what you need to know is that there are actually 4 stages of business evolution and growth. And it's really important that you take the right steps at the right stage to ensure that your business is built on the right foundations and to ensure that it continues to thrive and survive in the long term. So please go ahead now and download my free business success roadmap and checklist to ensure that your business is on the right path to success.